Let's find the limit definition and the equation of the tangent line at x equals -2 of the function x cubed minus 7x minus 2. First, the limit definition is a limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So we're going to plug in x plus h in for every x value. We have x plus h quantity cubed minus 7 times the quantity x plus h minus 2. And then when we subtract it by f of x, you want to make sure to put a parenthesis surrounding the f of x, because the negative here is going to distribute all the terms of f of x. And so we have all that over h. I'm going to expand x plus h cubed to get x cubed plus 3x squared times h plus 3x times h squared plus h cubed. So this whole thing is the x plus h quantity cubed. And then we're going to distribute the -7 to get -7x minus 7h and then minus 2. And let's subtract that with f of x all over h. Now notice that the x cubes are going to cancel. So will the -7x's and the -2's. So we're left with 3x squared times h plus 3x times h squared plus h cubed minus 7h all over h. The goal here is now to eliminate the h from the denominator, and we're going to do that by factoring out an h from the top. So now the h's are going to cancel, and so we have the limit as h approaches 0 of 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared minus 7. If I plug in h equals 0, the 3xh and the h squared both go to 0, and so we're left with 3x squared minus 7. And so the derivative of f is 3x squared minus 7. Now for the tangent line, we need a point and a slope. And the slope is a derivative at that x value. So we're interested at x equals -2. So you plug in x equals -2 to this original function and get 4 as your y value. So the point is -2 comma 4. For the slope, you want to use a derivative. We said the derivative was 3x squared minus 7. So plug in x equals -2 to get 5. Now for the equation of the tangent line, we can use point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals a slope times the quantity x minus x1. Plug it in, simplifies to y equals 5x plus 14. Now if we graph this, the red graph is our original function, and the blue line is the tangent line. As you can see, we have x equals -2, y equals 4, where the tangent line intersects the red graph, and the y-intercept is at 14. So this is my graph.